लख लख शुक्र करे तेरा हर दम, चाहे हो जिंदगी में खुशी या बहुत सारा गम। लख लख शुक्र करें तेरा हर दम, चाहे हो जिंदगी में खुशी या बहुत सारा गम। कर्मा ना देखे ऊंच और नीच, कर्मा ना देखे ऊंच और नीच, बस वही परोसे जो तुमने पकाया, बस वही परोसे जो तुमने पकाया। अब जो है वो कर्मा और तुम्हारे बीच। Namaste soul friends, this is Roshni Shanaz and a warm welcome to you all for our podcast Zindagi Rocks, Season 1, the Karma series. Let us dive into our insights for today's episode, where I shall share about this confusion that we all have about karma and justice. Haven't you thought many times, why is it that good people suffer? Today, we shall begin to scratch only the surface of this topic, and further down the episodes, go deeper into it. My Hindi shairi means that I am in gratitude of God, irrespective of good or bad times, and that karma doesn't discriminate between any high or low being, but brings to our table what we have cooked up through the sanskaras of our intentions, thoughts, words, and deeds. But did you know that the sanskaras we carry not only influence our individual karma, as I had shared in an earlier episode, but also contribute to the collective karma of society? They shape our relationships, societal norms, and cultural paradigms, perpetuating cycles of behavior and conditioning across lifetimes and generations. However, the beauty of sanskaras lies in their flexibility and connection to our God-gifted free will. Through awareness and conscious efforts, charity and kindness, and the grace of a perfect master or avatar, we can unwind and transform negative sanskaras into positive ones, thereby altering the course of our karmic journey. Thus, it is advocated that practices such as meditation, self-reflection, and selfless service help us unearth and dissolve deep-seated sanskaras, liberating us from the karmic bondage and facilitating spiritual evolution through the process. Belief in karma influences the circumstances of a soul's next incarnation, and each time the soul creates something called like the karmic blueprint, and let's call it KBP. So this KBP, the karma determines its form and experiences of the subsequent life of rebirth and decides all conducive aspects that will help the soul to elevate itself to the next realm of closing and nullifying all the karma in a given birth through soul lessons covering a myriad variety of ups and downs, turmoil, tribulations, or pleasure and good fortune through the lifespan. With that, what we experience is a seed of all those accumulated expressions that we have sown in this or another lifetime, and see them growing into the cactus or apple trees, depending on the seeds sown. But of course, our divinely gifted permanent amnesia about it does not allow us to pierce through this strategically decided document of life, and we feel shunned, neglected, shortchanged, or wrongly punished by the higher power, that we believe in. By understanding the intricate interplay between sanskaras and karma's autonomous working order, we can gain insight into the entrails of the universe and our place and role within it. We then become an optimistic spectator to the divine play, while being active participants in our destiny and co-creating a reality that is aligned with our highest potential. With this understanding, if we start to navigate the journey of life, we tend to cultivate awareness of our sanskaras by harnessing their transformative power to manifest a future filled with joy, abundance, kindness, compassion, and fulfillment, translating into everything being done from a space of love. In the next episode, we shall dwell further into the exploration of karma and justice. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, may your journey be guided by wisdom and grace. To know more about life, spirituality, or seek guidance, take coaching, mentoring, healing, and other transformation sessions with me. Connect through my website roshnishanaz.com or through social media @RoshniShanaz. For speaker assignments and collaborations, email on info@roshnishanaz.com. Stay blessed always, and your transformation always be in super duper Godspeed. Jai Baba.